I want to specially welcome you back to this course as we are diving into Facebook advertisement. What you need to know about Facebook, how to get started with Facebook advertising, and how. I'm here for you now. Let's just get started. Here are few things that you need to know about Facebook advertising. Facebook advertising is a way you give Facebook some money to help you gather leads and gather more sales, gather more audience to your business. So if you look at the dashboard, our page, you would see something like professional dashboard, you would see insight, you would see art center, you will see create art, you will see settings, you will see meta suite. Now, if you could notice that advertising on Facebook is no joke, because everyone actually knows about this. When you post, there is always that button that says post. So everyone is conversant with it. And if you are now on your page, you look towards advertising, you see a button right here, very close to your profile picture. When you scroll down to your post, you see boost post again, and the boost post, this is everywhere. If you move closer to the left hand corner of your page, you will see ad center, you will see create art, you will see meta suite. So the advertising tool are everywhere. So let's just get started. If you click on this, it's not going to give you the perfect option that you want. If you click on create ad, it's going to randomly gives you some options that even you might not find every necessary tools that you want. And if you click on boost post here, it's not going to give you exactly what you wanted. It will not give you the opportunity to choose your geographical region, to choose and make some targeting options. And if you could see another option here, say create ad, so you are not going anywhere near those buttons. All you are just coming straight here is you are going to your business suite. Just click on your business suite. It will lead you into the business suite where it will give you the option to proceed to advertising menu. Now this is what we are talking about concerning Facebook. Now we are in our business suite. This is our backend, and if we click on notification, if you click on inbox, you click on content, you click on planner, art. That's another thing that I'm seeing. See the art here. The tools are everywhere. So that is that about that. If you want to create an ad, you can create a post here. If you could see again, create ad. So these things are actually everywhere, but what you want to do is just that. Head over to your all tool, click on your all tool. Now you have variety of tools to work with. You have your business feed, you have your content, inbox, live dashboard, planner, sound, collections, billing, payments, business app, business support, file manager, and all that. Now if you move closer to advertising, all those ones that we talked about is engagement with your audience. Now if you move to advertising, you see ad manager, app, audience, event manager, ad reporting, insight, and all that. So now where you are going is that you just come to your ad manager. That is where you are going. Click on the ad manager, it will automatically take you into the advert manager, where you get all the options to set your advert correctly. Now we are in our ads manager. As you can see, create advert campaign. This is where we are going to be doing most of our work. So just focus right here, then we'll move on from there. I'll see you right in the next video.